Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to delete multiple projects on a Capcut so that you can erase the project easily and fast in efficient way. So you just need to open the Capcut applications, and after that you just need to go click one of the project that you want to delete. So let's say I would like to delete this project. So the next thing that you have to do is just go click and hold the project that you want to delete, and after that you will be activate this kind of looks. So now you just need to pick every project that you want to delete. So you can also keep the project that you want to keep by just leave the circles empty and just mark the other that you want to delete. So whenever you already got the project that you want to delete, okay, almost everything's here. I want to delete because I already finished the project. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay, and after you already got all of the project that you want to delete, now you just need to go click this delete button and confirm that you want to delete all of the project that you already selected. And now those project is already gone. So that's the way, guys, how to delete project on Capcut in a multiple and efficient way. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.